And we can go ahead and create test user with the sudo add user env user. Let's create a password for them with echo command env user. Let's set it to 123 sudo change pass wd. And we'll test environment security with sudo su-env user. Let's clear the screen. And now let's try to set a potentially dangerous environment variable. I'll type export LD underscore preload to, let's say, malicious. Let's add / before malicious. Malicious / library.so, like so. And one more command, export. Let's remove this part here. So export custom underscore var in double quotes again, test underscore value. Now let's test what environment is passed through sudo. We'll type sudo env and we'll grab minus uppercase E in double quotes LD underscore preload and custom underscore var and path and user. Let's run it. And seems like I forgot to close parentheses here. Let's rerun it. Again, we've got this unexpected token error. So let's first check if grep works itself. Let me go here and remove this part. So grep doesn't work. Let's try to rerun it with single quotes, syntax error again. Let me clear the screen and type the command from scratch. So that should be sudo env pipe grep -e and in single quotes, in parentheses, we'll type LD underscore preload pipe custom underscore var pipe path and pipe user. Run it and we get the response. So here, as you can see, LD.so or the dynamic linker tried to load it when we run the sudo command, and it failed. It cannot be preloaded, cannot open shared object file. So this is a privilege escalation vector. So here the system is working as designed. It warns us about a suspicious variable. It does not allow it to persist, and it does not allow arbitrary code execution in this case. But nevertheless, please remember this critical insight. LD preload is processed at the system level before sudo even starts. So the flow is as follows. You run sudo env, the shell launches sudo, then the dynamic linker sees the LD preload and tries to load malicious library.so. File doesn't exist, prints error, continues. So sudo starts here. Now sudo starts and applies its rules, such as env delete and so on. So to fully mitigate this, we could edit our current Sudoers file or rule, get back to our session, we'll exit and get back to this command, env security, and remove this USR bin environment with no password. It's a security risk because it exposes environment details. So I'll hit insert here and remove it from here and save the file. But actually before removing, let's get back to this file and add it to test one more thing here. So I'll add again USR bin path, bin env, and save the file, get back to the env user and test the secure path overrides user path. So let's try to export path, let's say in double quotes, tmp colon some malicious colon $path. And now let's grab this sudo env, we'll grab path. So as you can see, we get the expected output. It should show secure path, not user's path. Okay, let's exit. Clear the screen and continue.